Yeah, more one. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear?
Yes, yes, Sonal.
Data. So I was discussing about data types and variables in the last class. So I was discussing four cases, right? Case one, we're defining some variable like x as 10. Internally, one object gets created with value 10 with some address. That address is given to x. So generally, if you say print x, it prints 10. Try to respond, right? Address of x 103070, some address, whatever, where exactly it is stored. Type of x is what type? Int type. Case 2. Two different variables with x as 10, x as 20. Two different variables with two different values, two different objects. Two different objects will be created, yes. Yeah, x and y, sorry, x and y. X value is 10, y value is 20. Two different objects, two different variables, two different objects, two different addresses. But if you observe this case 3, x is 10, y also 10. How many objects will be created? Yes, try to respond.
One.
Only one object, only with one address. The address is given to y also. Don't think two objects with value 10 will be created. Only one object will be created in the memory. The same address will be given to y also. So what is your observation here? If you have got the values as 10, 20, 30, three different objects will be created. If the values are same, only one object. Okay. Case for if x value is 10, x is 20. Two objects will be created. For 10, one object will with some address. The address is given to x. X equal to 20, one more object will be created, right? Two different objects. Yes, two different objects will be created. But whenever you say print x, always it prints the latest value 20. The previous one gets removed. This is what we discussed in the last class, right? Data types. Data types are mainly are of two types. Data types mainly are of two types. Fundamental data types, collection data types. Fundamental data types and collection data types, right? Yes. Fundamental data types means object holding single value. Object holding single value. Yes. For example, x equal to 10. Object with value 10 with some address. The address is given to x. Your object holding single value. Object holding single value. Here object collection data type means the name itself saying collection of values. The name itself saying collection of values. Object holding group of values. Object holding single value, object holding group of values or set of values. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. One object is created and that you will see multiple values. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is going to have some address. Object holding group of values. Object holding single value and object holding group of values. Yes. Object holding single value and object holding group of values. Collection data type means the name itself saying collection of values, group of values, set of values, right? Object is holding group of, it is holding single value. Just observe now, yes. Mm. Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types. Mainly there are 5 types. Int, float, Boolean, string, complex. Int, float, Boolean, string, and complex. Int, float, Boolean, string, and complex. So int, somewhere like age 25. Float, height 6.4. Boolean, which returns Boolean values 0 or 1. 0 indicates false, 1 indicates true, which just returns true or false. These are case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. Uppercase, lower cases are taken differently. True T should be in uppercase, false F should be in uppercase. String means sequence collection of characters, something in quotes, double quotes you keep, right? For example, city equal to Hyderabad is a string. Hyderabad. Complex x plus iy. X is real part, I is this one, is this imaginary part. But in Python, instead of this I, we use j. We need to use the character j for it. Collection. Collection data types. Collection data types 4 times. List, tuple, set, dictionary. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List represented by using square bracket. Tuple represented by using normal bracket. Set by using curly bracket. Dictionary by using key and value. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. Dictionary with key and value, right? Yes. List of values. For example, x equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. By seeing the braces only, we should identify what type of collection it is. Y equal to tuple of values. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, set of values. Yes. Dictionary, collection of key and a value. Collection of key and value, for example, name, Ajay. Age, 25. So this is key, this is value. Name is the key, Ajay is the value. Name is the key, Ajay is the value. Key value representations. Yes. So yeah, we have got a lot of discussion on this collection data types, list indexing, list properties, list functions, list methods, list addresses, nested list modifications, right? Similarly for tuples, sets, and dictionaries. So we will discuss like nearly for 1 week on these collection data types later. Yes. And even for this fundamental data types, we have got discussion on string indexing, string slicing, string methods, string functions, and string special characters, right? Yes. String. Now, see, a string. A string is a sequence collection of characters. It's a sequence collection of characters, sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented. In Python, a string is represented. In Python, a string is represented using single quote, using double quote, string is represented using single quote, double quote, triple quote. Yes. So single quote or double quote for a single line string, a word or a line, right? Triple quote for a paragraph, for multiple lines like 3 lines, 5 lines, 10 lines, right? Go for triple quote. For a single word or like a single line, right? Go for single quote or double quote. Each character of a string, for example, city equal to Hyderabad. You got that. Each character of a string. Each character of a string is accessed or identified by a unique index or identified, right? By a unique index. Is accessed or identified by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index or positive index, right? Yes, each character of a string is accessed or identified by unique index. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index or positive index. This index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Index starts with 0. Second, backward index or negative index. Index starts from right to left. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Backward index or negative index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with the -1. Okay, check this. X equal to Python. X equal to Python, right? Yes. For this, one object is going to be created internally. One object is going to get created internally in this way. Yes. Python. P Y T H O N. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we call it like forward index. Or positive index. -1. -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Backward index or negative index. Forward index or positive, backward index or negative index, right? X. So it is going to have some address, the address given to X. Forward or positive, backward or negative. So what is the, everyone try to respond, what is X of 2 value? Yes. X of 2 value.
T.
X of 2 is T.
T.
X of -2 is O. Forward index are positive, backward index are negative. X of -2 is O, X of 2 is T. Yes. Single line comment starts with hash symbol. It's not executable. Single line comment start with hash symbol. Multi-lines comment. Multiple lines if you want to comment, right? Keep in triple quote, end with triple quote. X equal to Python, X equal to Python, right? Yes. Print X. Print a type of X. Type of X will be what type? Yes, string type. Type of X will be string type. Length of X, number of characters within the string. Length of X means 6. How many characters? 6 characters. So the length is 6. So I created once again. Run module. Check this. Python, what is the length? 6. What type? String type. Length is what? 6. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Print X plus Y. Print X plus Y, right? Yes. We call it this as concatenation. Concatenation, adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Adding two strings, first string followed by second string. Now Python plus programming, Python programming. This is the output you get. I want space between Python and programming. You want space between Python and programming. So 3 strings I'm adding. X is one string, space is one, Y. X is one string, Y is strings. Between these two strings, one blank string. Okay, fine. Next. String slicing. Next is string slicing. Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program, right? Extract only Python from this. Okay, print X means prints the entire string Python program. Extract only. Extract only Python from this. Hmm. How can I extract only Python from this? Yes. Hmm. X of this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to say 0 to 5 I need to say. But 6, I'll say 6. So this we call it like lower bound. This we call it like upper bound. This like lower bound. This is like upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. Right. Yes. So 6 will be excluded. Up to 5 only it will consider, right? 0 to 5 means Python, right? Save it first. Run module. Python, right? So here, if I give 5 here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I give 5, this n will be excluded. Means upper bound always excluded. You won't get this n. Now, extract only the middle portion of the string. Extract only the middle portion, right? Yes. Extract PROG, right? Try to say, everyone, try to answer. Yes. Hmm. Everyone try to respond. PROG. From where to where? Print. Yes. X of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. 7 to 11. We need to give 7 to 11. 7 to 11, right? 7 to 11 means PROG. Yes. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Okay. Extract PROG using negative index now. Extract PROG using negative indexing. Using negative index now? Yes. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. X of -7 to -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want, -3. -3 is excluded up to -4. -7, -6, -4, -4. PROG. If I say 11 to 7, 7 to 11 is PROG. If I say 11 to 7, X of 11 to 7, what you get? Observe, you will get empty string here. You will get empty string because always slicing from 7 to 11 means okay, in this way you are going in the forward direction. If you are going 11 to 7 means you are going in the backward direction, right? Because always slicing should be in the forward direction. If you are going in the backward direction, empty string, you get what? Empty string. Okay. Extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word program. Yes. Using positive index, you say me first. X of this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 7 to 14 you said. 14 is excluded. 14 is not accessed. 7 to up to 13 only it will consider program. Print X of 7 to don't provide the upper bound, right? Yes. Program. This also use program. Both will return program. Okay. Both. If you're not providing the upper bound from 7th index to up to the end of the string, 7 to 14, both returns program, right? Yes. Using negative index, X of -7 to up to the end of the string. -7 means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 to up to the end of the string means yes, program. For example, if I ignore this lower bound, I will ignore this lower bound. X of lower bound is ignored, 6 I have provided. Means by default, it reads from the start of the string to 6. 6 excluded, up to 5 takes. Python is the output. So this and this both are same, right? Both are same. Okay. Print If I ignore both lower and upper bond, entire string. So similar to print X. So it's not compulsory to use spaces here. Without spaces also it's fine. This last three statements results the same output, the entire Python program, right? Print X of 0 to, yes. Check this. X of all these statements results the entire these statements from here. It is Python program from here onwards, right? Entire thing.
శివ ఒక్క నిమిషం వింటున్నావా?
Yes. Yes. Python program. Yes. Next, for example, X of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. X of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. 0 to 14 with the increment of 2 means 0 index, 2 index, 4 index. See, what is this 0 indicates? Start value. 0 indicates what? Start value. 14 indicates what? Stop value. 2 indicates what? Step value. Start value, stop value, and step value. Start value, stop value, and step value. Mm. 0 to 14 with increment of 2 means 0 index, 2 index, 4, 8, 4, 6, 8 to 10, 12, right? Yes. 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, 12 index. What? Okay, 0 to 4. Okay. Similar, you can say 0 to 14 means this I can say, right? The increment of two, both results the same output. If I say print X of colon colon -1 means yes. -1 means yes. Reverses the string. Reverses the string. Reverses the string. Yes. So that is string slicing, right? Okay. Have you heard about the word palindrome? Palindrome, right? Yes. What is palindrome? If we reverse a string, if we reverse a string, if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, if we reverse a string, then it is a palindrome. If we reverse a string, if we get the same,
శివ
then it is a palindrome, right?
శివ తిట్టుకోకుండా ఒక్క నిమిషం రావాట ప్లీజ్.
Please be in mute. Yes. For example of palindrome, yes. M-A-D-A-M. If you reverse also, you should get the same string. Malayalam, D-A-D, M-O-M. If you reverse also, you should get the same thing. E-Y-E, N-I-T-I-N, L, yes. L-E-V-E-L, level, right? A race car. So all this, right? X equal to M-A-D-A-M, madam. Print X will print a madam, right? X of colon, if I reverse it and store in a variable Y and print it, it gives the same string, right? So it's a palindrome. X and Y, both. So both X and Y are same, right? So it's a palindrome. If we reverse also, if you are getting the same thing, yes, it's a palindrome. Okay. Next, we don't need to write huge codings in Python, right? We have got inbuilt methods and functions available. We have got string methods for performing the operations. String methods, right? Yes. First one, upper, to print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. X equal to for example, Hyderabad. Print X dot upper, X dot upper, right? Yes. Printing everything in uppercase. Check this output. Save it first. Run model. Printing everything in uppercase. Lower. To print in lowercase. To print in lowercase. X equal to Mumbai. X dot lower. Yes, to print in uppercase, to print in lowercase, right? Yes. X dot lower prints in lowercase. Mumbai, X means Mumbai. Yes, Mumbai in lowercase. Yes. Next. For example, X equal to India, I-N-D-I-A, right? I want only the first character, I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lowercase. X dot capitalize, that's it. Only the first character in the uppercase, remaining all in the lowercase as well. Yes. Only the first character, I only in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Capitalize. For capitalizing the first character. for capitalizing the first character. For capitalizing the first character only, right? Yes. See this? Only I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lowercase. For example, I got like this. X equal to, yes, good morning, Hyderabad. In this, how many words are there? 3 words are there. Good morning, Hyderabad, 3 words. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase. So what is that? Title. Title. For capitalizing the first character. For capitalizing the first character. Observe here, title means, one second, I'll come back. 3 words are there, right? X dot title. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase, I want. G, good, G in uppercase, morning, M in uppercase, Hyderabad, H in uppercase. Say title. Now check it, whether you are getting every word, first character, G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H in uppercase, right? Yes, H in uppercase. For capitalizing the first character of each word. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. For example, where this is useful, example, one more example you check, right? Example 2, yes. Employees, names of employees are given like this, right? Rohit, Ajay, Miller, James. So in this way, some hundreds of employee names are there. Hundreds of employee names are there. Each and every employee name, first character I want in uppercase. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase I want. Yes. Print. EMPS dot EMPS dot title, EMPS dot title, right? Yes. Yes. Or in uppercase, A in uppercase, M in uppercase, J, A, B. Or in uppercase, A in uppercase, Miller, M in uppercase, James, Amar, and Blake there. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase. Yes, 100 employees also if you provide, each and every employee name, first character it will print in uppercase. Next, we have what method like replace. We have what method like replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. Portion of a string. X equal to, I'm saying like Java is easy. Print X dot replace. X is the string dot replace the word Java with Python, right? Yes. We will get Python is easy, right? Yes. Check it. Run module. Python is easy, right? Yes. Yeah. So in this way, we have got many other methods, right? Upper, lower, capitalize, title, replace, swap case, count, starts with, ends with, find, strip, join. In this way, we have got many other methods, right? So I'll be discussing the other methods in the next class, right? Yes. So yeah, tomorrow the link will be changing, right? So everyone you need to get enrolled, right? For getting the new link. You can see in the chart panel, the payment details and the procedure is provided. You're already done with the payment. Don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to this mail ID provided. That is DURGASOFT online training. Yes, and the previous videos you can see that the demo videos are given. The previous video, and from tomorrow, you'll be getting your everyday video. You'll be getting to your Google Drive. Notes you'll be getting to your mail ID, and a WhatsApp group will be created tomorrow for the technical discussions and other things. Right? Yes. Any queries you have got, anyone? Right? Just some of them asking, right? Without installing Python, how we can execute, right? The tomorrow session, at the start of the session, I'll just show you, right, how to do that. Yes. Yeah. So tomorrow, same time at 7 o'clock, but the new link, right? You can check your mails. By today evening, you will be getting a new link to your mail IDs. Check your inbox and even sometimes the spam folder also, right? For the link. Okay, fine. So if anyone, if you have not received that link, even after doing the payment also, still you can ping on my number, right? I'll provide you the link. Yes, this is my number, right? Yeah, fine. So we'll meet tomorrow, same time. Okay, fine.